Hi! In front of me is Realme C31, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Realme. You need to start by going into Play Store, clicking on the search bar and typing in DevCheck. Now install this free app from this developer, DevCheck Hardware and System Info. Then tap on Open. As you can see, from this app you can find out more information about your Realme's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!